Today I was diagnosing the horn. The previous owner had a external switch which he wired really badly without a fuse, straight from the ignition live, so I wanted to fix that. So I found a horn wire here which came from the steering column. From here it goes to the left fender wiring. These two wires were cut right at the edge, and this was already hardened up because there was a short circuit in the past, as you can see there. So I've stripped it, tested the wires. I have a live, which is a permanent live on, ignition on, which goes to the horn, and then switched on with the brown wire here. So I'm going to tidy this up tomorrow, solder a new wires which go straight to the horn. This horn is not working, so I've got a replacement horn for which I've ordered. It will be in tomorrow. So I've just soldered and heat shrunk the wires now. What I have to do is connect it up to the horn and test it. Nut there I need to take off, and a long socket won't even fit there. So, and you could use a spanner, but I have a special socket set that I would like to show you guys that I have. It's this one here. It's hollow there, and then you just put this the ratchet on top of it. I'll show you. That's a terminal socket. There we go. It's a great bit of tool that I use at work. It comes pretty handy sometimes. That is a very long bolt. So what I found was that the bracket for the horn is quite rattly. So I'm going to use the old one because it seems to be more harder and it's not metal, so it won't make a rattling noise. Alright, so I've soldered it and taped it up. That's the horn. It works. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you liked these videos. Thank you.